Hello you guys, welcome back. So today is another Five Below haul. This is my second time going to a Five Below and this is my second haul. And well, go ahead and watch till the end and I will give you my final thoughts and a little story time at the very end. But first I'm just going to dig in and show you guys what we did buy. And we did run into Dollar Tree afterwards and picked up a few items, so I'll show you those items as well too. So I have one bag here. I spent $33 in one bag. Do you know how much more I could have gotten at Dollar Tree for $33? Just saying. So the first thing we got here is these Creative Gallery Glitter and Glow acrylic paint tubes. You're getting 20 different paint tubes in here. It pretty much has every color you can imagine. The top ones are going to be all glitter and then these are all just regular. Oh, these are glow. So the reason we bought these is because my mom, if any of you guys live out here in Arizona, I don't know if it's just kind of in Arizona, I don't know, people may do this all over the place, but they have a thing out here where you hide rocks, like you paint rocks and then you hide them and then people find them and then people can either re-hide them or keep the rock and then paint a new one and hide that one. So I don't know if that's something people do all over the place, but it's a cool little concept here. The kids enjoy, you know, looking for the rocks and whatnot. So yeah, we bought these. My mom's gonna paint a couple rocks of her own and I figured she could use these and then I was like, I'll take them because I can use these for my DIYs. So $5 for this I thought was a decent deal. We'll see how good of quality they are. All right, the next thing I got were these Crazy Art Crazy Face markers. They're the wacky scented markers. I thought the kids would like these. And I will say, so a lot of the stuff was marked with prices, right? Like here's price tag right here. And these were not marked. So I was like, okay, maybe it's kind of like the 99-cent store where if it's not marked, then it's automatically, it's $1. So when I got up to check out, I scanned these and they were $3. And I don't know. Crazy Art, is that like a decent brand? I'm not sure. Like, even my daughter asked, she's like, are these Crayola? Just because that's what they use in school, you know, and we know that Crayola is a great brand. So I kind of thought $3 for these was a little overpriced, but correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know. All right, the next thing I got were these Crazy Art as well, swirled colored pencils. And it's the ones where the tip is like, the tip is different colored. Do you guys remember those? I had these as a kid and I loved these. These were $3 again. I mean, they're pretty thick pencils and I feel like these could last a while. So the next thing I got were these water beads. It's these little beads where you add water to them and they expand. They'll expand up to 6 times in size. And my girls love playing with these. Like they just feel really cool and they love playing with these. I thought these were cool. These were $3. The next thing I found were some scrunchies. I thought these were so cute. They had like the little bow on the top. Scrunchies are coming back in full force and Five Below definitely has a lot of different scrunchies. So I thought these were really cute. I have yet to try one on. I hope I'm not too old to be wearing scrunchies, but you know what? I grew up in the 80s and 90s and I am a big fan of scrunchies, so I will definitely be rocking these. I got this Freeman Hydrating Gel Cream Mask and this was $4. They have a lot of skincare, a lot of makeup, a lot of fun stuff like that, and I did look online. I think you can get this same one at Ulta for like 25 cents more. So you're not getting huge deals at Five Below. I bought another pair of shoes. These are like the cheapest pair of shoes I've probably ever held in my life. But I thought they were really cute and for $5, I mean, they're probably not gonna last very long, but they're so stinking cute. So yeah, I bought a pair of shoes in my last haul that were $5 and those were pretty cheap as well. I mean, I wear them every once in a while, but I don't know, I just thought these were really cute. And I actually tried on a pair of their tennis shoes. Oh my gosh, it was the weirdest thing. They were $5 and they just felt really weird. I mean, I can't imagine that they would give you any support to work out in, but maybe just everyday shoes, they would be fine. To this last item, and then we are gonna have a little bit of a story time. So I found this twist and hold phone grip and stand. It's kind of like one of those little pop sockets. And again, this didn't have a price anywhere. So I was assuming, okay, it's probably $1. Yeah, no, this was $5. And let me just tell you, I opened it and I was like, all right, well, pop sockets are usually 10, so whatever. That's, you know, this thing is the cheapest thing. Like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna fall apart. I think I'm gonna take it back. So it's like literally plastic. So, I mean, it doesn't even pull up. I'm afraid this part is gonna pop right off. If you guys have pop sockets, you know that they're kind of like a rubbery, like they open and close very easily and they don't feel like they're gonna break. Yeah, this for $5 I think is a complete ripoff. I feel silly taking it back for $5, but I don't know. I feel like that stuff adds up and it's just not good quality. So, okay, this is where I'm going to get into a little bit of story time. That is all the stuff that I bought. I did have a little phone, like the tempered glass, like screen protector. I had one of those picked out and there was no price on that either. So I was thinking, oh, this is probably $1 as well because I bought them at the 99-cent store before for $1. And I get up there and it was $5. And I'm like, I am not spending $5 on a piece of glass that I can get at the Dollar Tree for $1. So I asked the lady, because, okay, if you've ever been to a Five Below or if you have not, you self-check. You don't have a choice. It's all self-checkout. So you have to do everything yourself. So if you have a problem, you have to wait for someone to come over. So the lady came over and I was like, hi, I don't want this. You know, I didn't realize how much it was, so I would like to take it off. And so she came over and she was just, I mean, I get it. They had just opened. She was just not very friendly. And I was like, yeah, it wasn't marked. I didn't know. And she's like, well, there's a price right above this whole area. Like it was $5. And I was like, oh, okay. You know, I didn't see it. And she was just kind of like, I, at this point, was looking at the screen trying to get it figured out, and my mom was talking to her, and she was just being very condescending to my mom, like saying, you know, this is only our second day. Thank you for being so patient, and blah, blah, blah. And like, she was being really kind of rude. And like, I get it. It's your second day. Like, we weren't trying to be rude at all. I just wanted it taken off, you know? Oh, and another thing she said, she's like, yeah, these are expensive. And I was like, yeah, they really are here. And she's like, oh, they're way more expensive other places. And I was like, and I told her that I bought them other places for $1, and she looked at me like I was an alien, like saying basically, oh, it can't be good quality. Anyways, you know, I'll just go ahead and tell you guys my opinion on this store. So it's a neat store. Like, you walk in and it's very like overwhelming and it's very like, ooh, I need that and that and that. And I'm gonna say save your money, you guys. If you haven't been to a Five Below, go check it out, but save your money. Like, I Dollar Tree is way better. So after we went to that Five Below, there's a Dollar Tree literally right next door. So we went over to that Dollar Tree, and let me just show you what I got from there. I got my screen guard, my shatter resistant tempered glass screen protector this is the one I always buy, and it works just fine, for $1, not $5. So I should have gone back over to the lady and said, see, it's only $1. But yeah, it comes with the cleaning cloth, cleaning wipes, whatever. And then the other things I got in here are really random. I picked up a little strainer, a mesh strainer. My husband is making prickly pear syrup to make margaritas because our friend's cactus like bloomed all these prickly pears. Is that what they did? They bloomed? I don't know. But anyways, so he has been busy trying to make prickly pear syrup. So he needed one of these. Picked up my more glue sticks for my projects, and then some more of these little foam brushes because you can never have too many of these. And I ran out. Oh, and then we also picked up a little can opener. I swear, I keep buying the expensive ones and they keep breaking. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy the cheap ones and they'll probably last as long as the expensive ones anyway. So yeah, I will say I'm not gonna say I'll probably never go back to the Five Below, but it's not gonna be one of my like weekly stores that I need to go to, like Dollar Tree. A lot of like the storage items you could get at Dollar Tree for $1. And the thing about Five Below is you rarely find anything under $5. Honestly, you guys, I feel like they just mark everything up to $5. I've never seen anything for $1. Even like the little toys that we bought for my kids, those were $3. I just feel like the quality of the stuff is not the greatest. If you're looking for something like that, like you could probably find it at TJ Maxx or Marshall's for a little bit more, but way better quality. And for the stuff that most of the stuff I find there, I can find at Dollar Tree for $1. So I don't know. I'm not impressed with you, Five Below. I'm gonna stick with my Dollar Tree because I think the stuff there is way better. I am curious to try out Five Below at Christmas time because one of my viewers had said that they have really cool stuff at Christmas, so I will go check that out. But honestly, for my dollar stores, I'm going to be sticking to Dollar Tree and the 99-cent store. So. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this Five Below haul. It's probably going to be my last for a long time, but I will have Dollar Tree hauls coming for you. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.